Today we were out doing some training with a local municipality here. We're doing some scans of the river dike. They want to see how the environment changes over time. There's animals, there's erosion. They really want to capture that data over a period of time and see really how it changes throughout that time period. Before they purchased this equipment, they were doing a lot of this surveying work manually. With the M400 and the L3, they're going to be able to have a full repository of models that they can refer directly to and get a much better idea of what has actually changed over time. Another thing that they're going to be using the drone for is flood analysis. Using the drone, they're going to be able to see how an increase in the volume of water will affect the community. They're making sure they're prepared for those kinds of situations.